Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera app freezing or crashing on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so let's open up our settings. Now let's find the apps and in here click on see all, and now we need to find our camera app. Simply tap, click on storage and cache, and in here we need to simply clear our storage. But you need to be aware that this app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Let's click on delete. Now let's restart our phone. So let's launch the power menu, click power button and volume up button at the same time. Click on restart. Now we just need to wait until our phone restarts. And after that, we'll have to open up the settings one last time. So I'll see you in a second once the device is rebooted. Okay, the device has been successfully restarted. So now let's go straight into the settings. And also let's make sure that we're using the latest version of our software. So scroll down until you find the system, and in here click on system update in search for potential updates. Click on check for updates manually. If you have a possibility to download the latest versions, simply do it. After that, you also have to restart your device, and now everything should start working properly. I'll show you that I can take photos and everything works. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.